Hi, my name is Eric Brown, Vice President of Northern European Mid-Market Business for Coupa Software. I've been with Coupa for 8.5 years in a variety of roles. I recently relocated to London a few months ago with my family to help support the launch of the mid-market and growing business here. Over the past 8 years, working with the US teams, we've defined and refined our go-to-market playbook. This includes verticalization, this includes the product mix, the pricing mix, the go-to-market, and ultimately accomplishing hundreds of wins and growing that team. Now what we're doing is bringing that same established playbook to the European market, and we're adapting it here. These are plays that we already know are successful, and we're already seeing the success, the early success, giving us the confidence that we're going to replicate what we've been able to achieve in North America. As part of that, we're seeing the greatest adoption around unifying platform to deliver the results for our customers. Ultimately, what we're seeing in the mid-market business is companies, as they go to solve an issue, will select and implement a point solution for fixing that one particular issue. And then they'll repeat that for another issue. So it might be contracting, it might be vendor management, it might be invoice automation, it might be inventory, it might be sourcing. What we're seeing though is that the silos proliferate, creating challenges with visibility, with additional integrations, and with redundant costs of the infrastructure. What we're able to do at Coupa is having a unified platform, we're able to break down all the walls of the silos. So it gives you real-time visibility across the entire application, common user interface, common experience, common administration, and from a commercial perspective, you've got a single infrastructure and architecture with which to run all of those applications. So much more cost synergy across that as well. The second area that we see our customers enjoying success is around the community intelligence. Coupa is uniquely positioned to be able to provide information outside of your four walls into how other companies within and outside of your industry are performing. We're able to anonymize and aggregate that data, so provide very large amounts, upwards of $3 trillion US dollars worth of spend of data, real performance transactional data, to help apply that information around benchmarking within your own organization and working with our partners to achieve those results. It's with my great pleasure to introduce my friend Warren Cazzero from Barker's Procurement.
Thank you very much, Eric. It's a pleasure to be here with you today. My name is Warren Cazzero. I am the Digital Implementation Director at Barker's. Been with the organization since it began, and it's a pleasure to talk about our partnership with Coupa here today. At Barker's, we're proud to be working with Coupa as their partner for the SME and mid-tier markets in the UK and Ireland. Our unique values-based approach is absolutely central to why we deliver success for our clients. So in real terms, how do we do that with Coupa? Firstly, our experienced team of practitioners. So we blend a global consultancy background with procurement practitioner experience. Where we excel is actually listening to clients' challenges, really understanding their business needs, and then using our insights and experience to recommend solutions that are realistic and that come with tangible benefits. We work collaboratively with clients to define business goals, success metrics, facilitate a transparent and measurable process driven at the heart of it by our honest and open values. Secondly, at Barker's, we believe it's imperative to ensure our clients are fully equipped and prepared to receive the cutting-edge solutions that Coupa provide. We do this on two levels, on a practical, systems-based level, but also, and critically, on a human level. Of course, we work with clients to review IT systems and facilitate integration success. But at the same time, we invest hard in the groundwork, in explaining how the solution works to each individual, the benefits of using Coupa. That's where we really build client confidence and ensure that our clients get the mutual return on their investment in Coupa and Barker's. I know from client feedback that where we excel most is in that relentless approach on the human element of digital transformation. Because whilst technology is key, adoption and acceptance are paramount. Our teams consist of behavioral experts who are outstanding in their knowledge of cognitive bias, personality traits, and other behavioral principles. We use those to motivate, enable, and empower client teams adopting new technologies and services. Thirdly, we focus on long-term client value. We continually review effectiveness in systems in place, searching for new ways we can extract maximum value, helping clients to really focus on the highest yield opportunities. Our partnership with Coupa ensures that clients can be confident that the technology of today is ready to meet their challenges of tomorrow. Lastly, and I feel most importantly, the Barker's and Coupa partnership is strengthened by our mutual dedication to social value. At Barker's, we are immensely proud to be 3 times award winners in recognition of our social value work. For that reason, we're really delighted that the Coupa platform is perfectly aligned with our ethical principles and their commitment to environmental, social, and governance philosophies. What is more, we know these will be critical to all clients' future success as society develops and as business ethics evolve. So, what I do know now without any doubt is that together, Barker's and Coupa can support clients to leverage their spend to drive responsible and measurable impact, both in financial year and sustainably in the long term.